people think of high-speed trains, they think of either France, China, or Japan. But few expect to find one racing across North Africa.
Time changes everything, but in Morocco, one train changed time itself. This is the story of the fastest train in Africa and the day I decided to take it.
I'm lost. I don't know where I'm going to. I have no idea of where I'm going to.
Instead of the regular train, I chose something different. The fastest train in Africa. Simple decision, or so I thought. The station was busy, announcements everywhere, trains arriving and leaving fast. At one point, I entered the wrong train.
This is where the part I don't like about catching a train. You have to run, run. Here? Alright, thank you. So this is one of the officials that asked, and he said I should still wait here, that my train is not here yet. This is not the fastest train, guys.
For a moment, I thought, this can't be it. That is when it hit me. High-speed travel doesn't wait. If you miss it, time moves on without you. I stepped out just in time, heart racing, checking signs again.
Since my own train is not here yet, so because it kept directing me to the same spot, but I don't know which is the right one, which is the wrong one. And this is 6:06 right now, and my own train is 6:17. 6:29. Okay, my this thing is not here yet. Let me go and wait. While waiting for the train. Guys, I've been so cold because I've been out here for about 30 minutes now, and I'm getting really cold. It's so cold. I've been waiting out here.
Then I saw it. Boraq. The design, the calm, the order. This wasn't just another train. This felt different. I finally stepped into the right one, the train that would take me from Tenitra to Tangier in a fraction of the draw time.
All time, and I don't even know where I'm going to enter from. Oh Jesus! 18. See you. See you. Seen you. See? 54. I don't know where to go to. Oh, okay. 54. I'm going to. You'll say my feet. You'll say. Guys, I'm here, but sorry. Hi.
Before Boraq, long-distance travel in Morocco met patience. 5 hours could disappear between cities. Time was spent waiting, sitting, delaying life, and now here I was, watching the country fly past me. At 320 kilometers per hour, Boraq doesn't just move fast, it gives time back. Students commute further, businesses expand wider, families stay connected. In my seat, I realized something. This is what progress feels like.
So guys, I got in and it wasn't so hard to get my seat and my couch number because I have it all on my train ticket, so it wasn't so hard to find because I already imagined it was going to be so hard to find, but it wasn't. And now let's talk about this train. It is way better than the ones that I've been traveling with within cities here. This proves that Africa doesn't chase trains, they create them. The fastest train in Africa, and on its high speed line, it reaches up to 330 kilometers per hour.
Everything about the journey felt intentional. The timing, the organization, the respect for passengers. Civilization isn't only skyscrapers, it's systems that work. Al Boraq didn't just change speed, it changed standards. In 2018, cities along Al Boraq route have grown closer. Tourism increased, investment followed. Tangier became more accessible, Casablanca became less distant, Morocco became more connected. The train didn't just link cities, it stitched the country together.
Cities feel so close to each other because in a twinkle of an eye, you're already at your stop. This is crazy.
Before I could even fully process the journey, we were already in Tangier. No exhaustion, no long wait, just arrival.
The moment it moves, you don't feel the speed, you just feel the smoothness. Both travelers, students, and everyone rides in the street.
From almost getting lost to arriving ahead of time, Al Boraq is the fastest train in Africa, but more importantly, it's proofs of what happened when a country values time. I didn't just travel faster, I witnessed how Morocco chose to move forward. The future doesn't wait, and neither does Al Boraq.
This train is built with advanced technology, but it is for everyday people.
Both students, business travelers, everyone rides in this train. They share the same ride.
This train shows that it is the fastest and people are willing to come catch the train because it's so fast and the train station is always crowded. There's always line to get tickets, like long lines, and it takes a long time before you could get tickets. So I booked my tickets online just so I wouldn't waste time to get a ticket here when I get here.